the first trade opportunity I have here is GBP AUD. I think you guys, I'm just going to be focusing on trading only one pair, and that is the goal for this year. So, being humbled by the market, sticking to your plan and everything, that is what my goal is for this year. So it's going to be quite simple, and yeah, it's the simplest approach I'm working with. Right here, I'm working with supply and demand areas, field supply and demand areas, field demand and supply and demand areas that don't fill, and with my Fibonacci is quite easy. So you can see here, right? Price has traded from this upside. You can see from this upside here, right back to this high here. So that was a field supply that turned what support. So what I'm expecting is that I had this daily supply area here, but price came into this area. The first day, this was on Wednesday. Wednesday was a very bullish day. Thursday was not too bullish, but you could see the weakness in price, right? You could see here the weakness in price, and we had price. Now today, Friday, we're having price engulfed out account to show the world strength of the bulls and the bears. So that's what I'm really interested in. And where would you look and ask me where I want to enter, what I want to see to enter? Right now, if I am to use a different color, this is the first let me just use this. This was the last bearish candle, bullish candle before the start of the bulls. So I can, lows has been created. So what I'll be expecting now, right, from this is using my Fibonacci price creating what further, if price keep creating further lows, I'm expecting price to keep creating lows. So I'm expecting price to keep coming down here and here and here. So if price can do that, right, I would see opportunity that could just wait for price to pull back to this area that it was forming supply area and was get really interested in the market. So this is my focus on the market. So this is what I want to see before I get really interested in the market buyers, right? Before I get really interested in the market buyers. So most of the things I'm going to be doing these days and this year, it's going to be a written game. So I don't mind how long it's going to take me for my trade setup to form. If it's going to take me 1 week for it to form, I don't mind. So all I just need to do is taking the right positions at the right time, and each trade I am going to be taking, I'm going to be targeting 1 to 3 hour. At 1 to 3 hour, I'll be taking those of my position out of the market and leave the rest to run. Right, it's quite very simple. As I said, it's just a simple plan, and I want to follow up this plan. I want to stick to this plan and see where it takes me to. So I got books to read still. I'm still on this book. Guys, I'm still on this book, so I got this book to start reading, and hopefully I go a long way to it. So it's gonna be more of reading, trading, content creation. So that's the goal for 2025. Reading, trading, content creation. I'm recording my life here on YouTube. I'm building myself, and that's where it takes us. Guys, quick recap. This is 2:06 p.m. right? So, but you see, I didn't even expect that price was going to pull back this much, right? I thought that price was going to end today bearish and still pull back the next day, but price is unpredictable. You cannot tell what to do next. Like, you can do anything. So right, I'm in this position right now, in this sell right now. So I will be expecting price to sell from this region here, right down to this area for a nice 1 to 3 weeks to reward ratio around this whole side. So this is the first position I entry for the year. I don't know how long this take. It might, mind you, it might hit me up. My risk management is in place. Let's just see how this trade, plays out to be, because what, come on, what are my entries criteria? I have to wait for a change or shift in market structure, and there has been a shift in market structure, right? And price is pulling back to the demand or supply, to the supply area that I used to break it to. It's that simple, and that is what I am in right now. So guys, um wrapping up the day, market just closed, right? Market just closed, and um GBP moved in our direction, right? So these lows were taken out, this lows was taken out, so new lows were taken out. So we should be expecting, further break of lows. Let's say this low next week, right? Expecting the break of this low next week. So yeah, I really didn't expect price to move this much, right, today, but it is what it is. So currently floating about 80, currently floating about 85, $90. I'll share that with you guys here. Currently floating about $90 on this trade. I risked, yeah, currently floating about $90 on this trade. So guys, catch you guys next week, and stay safe, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.